Ansen V7 handheld vacuum cleaner. Brushless motor 110,000 RPM. Nano HEPA filter easy to put in the storage bin. Easy installation, slot in and tighten. The windshield protect you away from the dust wind. 2 levels by press 1 key. Hike and suction, sweep all crumb away. Good help for clean, good partner for car. To clean narrow gap, extend to make big help. With brighten light, light up the dust in dark corner. Big sucker with combs, clean bed and hair easily. High-end brushless motor, super power to vacuum. Use mouthpiece to inflate all inflatable thing. High-efficient brushless motor, blow out hike and wind. Using small brush, clean the stubborn particles. Blow dust away, just press 1 key. Ansen multifunction handheld vacuum cleaner. 1 key start new life of clean and dust remove.